Hi, in this video we're going to be solving the binomial theorem. So in this question we are only required to find the middle term. So to find the middle term, we'll first start by getting the number of terms. Okay, so let's get the total number of terms. So the number of terms is equals to n, where this formula we have a plus b to the power of n. So our n is equals to 6. N is equals to 6, and then a obviously is equals to x, and then b is equals to 2. So here we will have the number of terms which is equals to n plus 1. Then it will be 6 plus 1, which is equals to 7. So the total number of terms is equals to 7. And then step B or step 2, we then have to find the middle term. So we then have to find the middle term. So the middle term will be equals to the number of terms plus 1 and then divided by 2, which is equals to 8 divided by 2. And then 8 divided by 2, you'll get 4. So this simply means that middle term is equals to T4. So T4 is the middle term. T4 is the middle term. Okay. And then to find T4, we'll use our standard formula for binomial theorem. Term 4 is given by n open bracket n minus 1, n minus 2, then you divide by 3 factorial, and then a to the power 3, a to the power n rather, a to the power n minus 3, and then b to the power of 3. This is the standard formula for finding term 4. So term 4 will be equals to n. We know that n is equals to 6, then into n, which is 6 minus 1, then 6 minus 2, then the 3 factorial. The 3 factorial simply means you'll have 3 times 2 times 1. That's what that 3 factorial means. And then the value of a is equals to x. So you'll have x to the power of n, which is 6 minus 3. And then b, we know that b is given by 2 from the original equation. And then it will be cubed. Okay. And then our T4 will therefore be equals to 6. If you solve the bracket first, you'll have 5. And then here you'll have 4. And then all divided by 6. And then you'll just write x to the power of 3. And then 2 to the power 3 is equals to 8. Okay. And then our T4 will therefore be equals to 120 divided by 6. So when you multiply 5 by 4, you'll get 20, and then 20 times 6 is 120. Okay, then you'll have x cubed into 8. And then if you solve this section here, if you solve that section there, you will get 120 divided by 6. So if you divide 120 by 6, you will get 20 x cubed into 8. And then will therefore, our T4 will therefore be equals to 160 x cubed, because you will multiply 20 by 8. You'll multiply 20 by 8, obviously. If you want the solution, I'll attach it in the video below with the video link. So I've created a solution for you. And that's all. Thank you for watching.